What's up, guys? Will H Tech Review back with another video, taking a look at a external SSD that I picked up from my channel. This is the Samsung T7 500GB external USB 3.2 second gen portable solid state drive. So this has hardware encryption. This is the indigo blue one, and I needed this because my MacBook Air M1 only has 256 gigabytes for storage, so I needed something to kind of help me out. So right now at Best Buy, this is $70.99. You can get this in the blue one like I got. You can get it in black and red. Comes in 500 gigabytes, 1,000 gigabytes, and 2,000 gigabytes. The price is going to be a little bit higher if you go up on your storage. So let's take a look at a few of the features and details here. So this is a USB 3.2 Gen 2 interface. Password protection, 256-bit AES hardware encryption. Solid state drive with no moving parts. Compatible with PC, Mac, Android. 500 gigabytes of storage. Portable design. So let's look at some of the specs. So here are a few of the specs. I'm just going to stroll through. You guys can stop it, pause it, or whatever and look at it and read it yourself, or go over to Best Buy website and check it out. So let's take a look at the unit and check it out, see what it looks like. All right, guys, so we're back in. Here's the packaging that it comes in. It has a picture of the device here, Samsung portable SSD T7. Windows, Mac, Android, 500 gigabytes. Now, I did have the T5, and I wasn't using it as much as I thought I would, so I ended up getting rid of it. And now, since I picked up, like I said, the MacBook Air, and it only has 256 gigabytes for storage, and I'm using this as my main editing device, something like this would come in handy. So here are a few of the specs if you guys want to read this. These are supposed to be pretty fast, as you can see by the numbers there. And you can see the dimensions of it there. And here's some of the warranty support here. I'm going to just let you guys read it. Here's the back of it. And so let's get into this thing here and check it out and see what we got. Gonna go ahead and get this cut open here. There's some tape here. All right. See what's included in this. And this is gonna be great, man, because I'm using different things to try and keep up with my videos and everything, man. So I had to get a little bit more organized here. So here is the device. That is beautiful. Check that out, man. And this is how small it is. These are very small. And let's see what else is in the packaging here. Okay, so how do you get in here? Did I open it the wrong way? All right, get rid of that. So you get this little packaging here. So you're gonna get one cable here. This is going to be your Type-C to USB-A, and I'll say it's about 2 feet, no, 1.5 feet. It's not very long. And then you get a Type-C to Type-C, which is about the same length. As you guys see, not very long at all. And then you get your paperwork here. Nice little booklet, tells you what you need to do. And this is, like I said, the unit. You can see there's some writing on the bottom of it. There's your Type-C plug there, and you do have a indicator. And then on this back side is just telling you Samsung portable SSD T7. Okay, guys, so this is the unboxing of the Samsung portable SSD T7. Very lightweight, nice, pocketable, put it anywhere. After I get this hooked up and use it for a few days, I'm going to come back and do a follow-up review on it. But catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.